Guys, today I'll be showing you how you can use Honeygain in Android or iOS. So let's get started. So first of all, we are here in the website of Honeygain, which is honeygain.com, and you can download the application here for Android, but for iOS you can download it in the App Store. It is there, so you could just directly download it, but in my case I can't find it in the Play Store, so I'm gonna go here in the official website of Honeygain. So I'm gonna download it right here by tapping here on the download for Android. Once you have that, you need to install the application, and after that you can basically see it on your phone already, so you're fine with that. So if you still don't know what Honeygain is all about, it's an app that you can earn passive income from effortlessly. And with Honeygain, you can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. So by just running Honeygain in the background in your phone, of course, it would consume battery, some network, some Wi-Fi, or some data, but you will be paid for it. You just need to run it in the background, and you will have credits or points from Honeygain that you can later on use so that you can earn rewards or convert it into crypto or money. And it is an easy way to earn passive income. And if you want to learn more, you can tap here. You can also earn without compromising security, and you don't have to worry about your personal details or sensitive information being leaked, because Honeygain is actually a secured app, and they would not compromise your security, and they would also know exactly what your internet is used for, and they will be really transparent with you, and you can have your earnings right here. You can estimate your earnings. You can see it in the app directly. So now let's go to the app. Let's go to my installed Honeygain right here. We want to open this one, and now we want to agree to the terms of use right there, and we're just gonna don't allow it because I don't want the notifications, and we want to skip introductions. But if you want to go for the introduction, then you could go here, tap on how Honeygain works, but we're gonna skip for now and set up Honeygain here. Use mobile data. If turned off, Honeygain will only work on Wi-Fi, so this depends on your preference, and for me this is a no. Like done right there. And then you need to disable battery optimization, because of course you want Honeygain to not be stopped automatically by your system, so you should change it to no restrictions so that it won't be stopped and it will continue running in the background and you can continue earning. And as you can see here, what we need to do now is to sign up so that we can have our earning recorded to us, and here in email right here, or we could just simply set sign up with Google right here. We just sign up right there. Just gonna click it, just wait for it to load, or we could just provide it right here. Seems like it's taking quite a while. Let's just use my dummy email and my password to just like that. Maybe it shoots right there, and sign up. And after that, let's just wait for it. One moment please. And as you can see, I am now signed up, and it will automatically collect some points for me, and as the points get compiled and it will get bigger and bigger, I will be able to pay out, because there is a threshold on how much you can pay out right here. And by the way, if you are using an iOS, you would need to run it in the foreground, because Honeygain cannot run in the background of iOS because of the system of iOS. It doesn't allow that, so you need to continually check if Honeygain is running so that you could earn in iOS, but which means that Honeygain is much more convenient here in Android. So now what we want to do is go into settings right here, in more right here, and we're gonna go in settings right here, and you could see right here the settings. You wanna make sure that this is turned on right here so that you could earn, and the mobile data here, again, that is your option if you want to enable that. and allow usage and battery. This is very important because you really want to let Honeygain continue running in the background as much as possible so that you can earn and maximize your earnings in your language. And same as this one, disable battery saving so that Honeygain won't be stopped, and start when device boots. It depends on you if you want this one. As long like it is a startup app, when your device boots up it will automatically open and you would automatically start earning. It depends if you want that, but for me I don't want this one. I want Honeygain to start earning or start running when I want it to. And now let's go back right there, and you can see here in the transaction history, this is where the transactions will be recorded. Like if you paid out, this is where it would appear right here. And as you can see, I don't have any because this is a new account right here. So as it says here, collect $20 to request a payout. So you would need $20 so that you could pay out all your earnings right here. So you would need to wait for quite a while and use Honeygain for quite a while so that you could meet this minimum threshold and you could actually pay out $20. You just need some patience into this and you will get it in no time. Now let's go back right here. And by the way, if you see this confirm email right here, you want to confirm that email, but I'm not doing that right now because this is just a tutorial account. Now let's go back, and here what we can do is go here in statistics, and this is where you can see the graphs on how much you've earned. Let's just wait for a moment because it's taking a while to load. Just wait. Let's just go back again and then go at it again. Let's just try if it goes any faster than this. But basically here in statistics, this is where you would see the earnings, what Honeygain is gathering informations from you, what you are using, because Honeygain is basically gathering informations on what you are using the apps, like what you are using it during the day, during the night, or something like that. They would collect information on your activity in your phone, but they won't collect sensitive information because, as indicated in the introductory part of this video, this Honeygain app, they have a very tight security. They won't compromise your security, so you could rest assured that it is safe. Seems like this is not opening. This is taking quite a while, but I think from the word statistics you can very much tell that it is the statistics on what Honeygain is collecting from you and your earnings, how much bandwidth they are using from your internet connection and something like that. That is what you would see here in the statistics. So if you want an in-depth tutorial or some in-depth guide on how you can use or maximize this Honeygain app, then you could go here and tap on how it works right here, and you would see here share your internet and earn, and what you get paid for right here. Honeygain is a residential proxy network taking part will get you paid for helping businesses get web statistics. As you can see, it says web statistics. That is what you get in or see in the statistics in the options: run and verification, brand protection campaigns, and more. And earn more on all devices. By the way, you could also use this in your laptop, your MacBook, or something like that. You could run it right there so that you can maximize your earnings if you run it in as many devices as possible. So let's go next, and you can also earn money here by inviting someone to join. You could be an affiliate, so if someone joins Honeygain, registers, and actually earns money there, you would get a commission, and that way you could easily get money without having to do much, because you just need to invite. When someone accepts your invite and they actually use Honeygain, then you would gain instantly $5. And next, here you can just sit back and earn, of course, because this is a passive income. You can just sit back while you let it do the work in the background or in the foreground in iOS case, and you'll be able to earn money. So that's basically it on how you can use Honeygain. You don't have to do pretty much about it. That's all you have to know. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.